Okay, let's take a look at these problems. So number 8. So there's 56 cars in a parking lot, and there are 8 rows, but how many cars go in each row? Okay, well I know that 56 divided by 8 is 7. So M equals 7 cars in each row. Number 9. An apartment building has 42 apartments. There are 6 apartments on each floor, so it's going to be 42 divided by 6 equals M. And I know that M equals 7 floors. And my last one, number 10, 48 students in the marching band. They stand in rows of 8. 8 equal rows of 8. How many rows are there? And for this one, M equals 6. 6 rows. So I'll pause it here so you can check your thinking versus my thinking. And then when you're done, make sure to send this page off to Schoology, page 395. So just double check it, pause it, but then send it to page 395 on Schoology. And last page, page 396. So if you have not done it yet, get this page off of Schoology and send it to Notability. All right, let's read the black bolded directions. Write an equation for each word problem. Use a variable to represent the unknown factor. Factor again, multiplication, division. Then solve the problem. Okay, so I'm going to do the same things before. I'm going to do some underline. I'm going to read it. So Daniel is setting up seats for the 3rd grade play. There are 6 seats in each row. There are 50 seats in all. How many rows of seats are there? Okay, well, I already know my total. So 54, there's 6 seats in each row. So 54 divided 6 seats in each row. But how many rows of seats are there? I don't know. So it's going to be N something. Okay, so I got to try to figure this out. Oh, I know. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 9 rows. Okay, and that's what you're going to do for problems number 12, 13, and 14. So I'm just going to read these for you. And for each of these, you just need to make sure you have an equation with your answer with the label. Mrs. Martinez is sewing buttons on 4 costumes. Each costume has the same number of buttons. There are 32 buttons in all. How many buttons are in each costume? 13. The library received 63 new books. The librarian will put 7 books on each shelf of a bookcase. How many shelves are there? 14. There are 72 juice boxes for the class picnic. The juice boxes are in packs of 8. How many packs of juice boxes are there? And then your check understanding. Draw a picture to represent problem number 14. Now, for that one, there are so many different pictures that you can do. I'm going to use different numbers here. So let's say I was going to do 25 divided by, I'll change those numbers, sorry. That sometimes could make it confusing. I'm going to just do 20 divided by 5 equals N. So I could do 5 circles and count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Or I could do my 5 circles, and well, I just know that 4 goes in each. I could do a fast array problem. 20 goes in the middle. 5 is going to go there, and then 4 will go on the outside. Just want you can do kind of any of those picture models that you would want to. That's what you're going to do. You're going to draw a picture model for 72 divided by 8. Okay, so finish page 396, and I'll see you back in a bit.